I'm Aditya. I'm a product specialist with GoCD, a CI/CD tool by ThoughtWorks. The talk that we are presenting is titled CD for Microservices. This talk is about best practices to be followed for continuous delivery of a microservices based application. Continuous integration is a development practice that is observed in most teams. But it is not enough that your commit is ready for production deployment. In a microservices architecture, the build artifact of each service generated by the CI system needs to be production ready. One needs to be able to answer questions like, will all services work together after a change without any issues? Do you have enough infra automation to take each service to production for every commit? Are you ready to do production deployment anytime your business demands? If not, then you're not practicing CD, continuous delivery, or deployment. By the end of the talk, we hope that our audiences will walk away knowing key principles of continuous delivery, common pitfalls to avoid while practicing CI/CD, issues that crop up while practicing CD for microservices, and guidelines on how to do CD with microservices. Let me give you a quick introduction of the talk. How CI is practiced widely but not CD. Why continuous delivery and deployment are different. What are the unique issues for practicing CD? Then we are going to take you through some common issues and mistakes in CD for microservices, such as on testing microservices, mostly teams make mistakes or ignore the automated tests itself while designing CD pipelines for microservices due to complexity involved. Teams often rely on end-to-end testing. To achieve this, a common setup is shared with the team to bring up the entire working system. This approach is usually less performant and prone to human mistakes of each engineer running different versions of the services. Maintaining pre-prod environments. Now, if we all know different environments, it's difficult to maintain. Enterprise teams have situations where they need to maintain multiple environments apart from production. Maintenance becomes an overhead. Teams struggle to maintain variable across multiple environments, pre-prod and prod. How much of the workflow is automated infra as code? Reduction in percentage of automation will proportionally increase chances of failing to achieving CD. Tendency to do things using scripts, which could be done by options provided by tools used for deployments. We are also going to cover some practices that we recommend to mitigate the above issues. Like testing of microservices can be done by integration and component-based tests than to depend highly on end-to-end tests. Each service may be in different languages and platforms, but all can be made into similar artifact like your Docker containers. Choosing the right deployment strategy. On one deployment strategy, service instance per virtual machine pattern versus service instance per container pattern. We'll also discuss the pros and cons of each of these strategies. Canary deployments, rollback strategies, look out for security issues in your containers. Well, we hope to see you and talk more. Thank you.